In today's video we're looking at a SmartTheater travel case and accessory for 3D lenses. It includes brush, lens wipes and microfiber cloth. Fits any size mobile virtual reality headset. Well, I can't find my headset at the minute, so I'm just gonna have to use another object to see what it's like inside. So let's open it up. See what's on the back first. So it's got a bit of rubber on the top, as you can see, and it's held by that ripstop material, polyester, probably something like that, polyester. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So at the top end we have, oh, that's good. This is where you can keep accessories and things, and it's got like a Velcro on the top, so you can force it down. And let's have a look inside and see what we've got. So we've got a pen, yep, it's definitely a pen. And at the top end we've got a lens brush. Does this one come off and swap ends? Yeah. On the opposite side we've got like an iron shape, or triangle-ish iron shape lens brush, and yeah, you can just swap them over. Nothing inside, so yeah, just swap them over. So basically a cheap lens brush. And there we have a cloth with some logo on it and writing. Yeah, that's soft. That's pretty good, that cloth. You usually come out, usually get rubbish cloths with stuff like this, and that one's rather okay. And let's see what these packs are for. Yeah, these are the lens wipes, I think. Yeah, lens wipes. You all see them, you get 5 lens wipes. Yeah, I get 5 lens wipes. And yeah, they're all made in China. So let's use some to put inside and see how big the item is. So I'm going to use this Tascam as for measurement, and let's see. So that's about 15 centimeters. So open it up and place it inside. So you've got about 15 centimeters there. So let's measure it. On top to bottom, you got about this one is 17. And across you got 22. So yeah, it's fit most. Unless you got a virtual boy, I don't think it would fit one of those. And that comes off as well, so yeah, you could fit a Tascam in nicely. Or if you're going to use something like this, I'd put a sponge in. So yeah, you could fit 2 of these in actually, in a space in between, and you'd have enough room. So yeah, if I find out my lenses anywhere, I'll do this review again and update it. So in the meantime, you know what sizes and dimensions. So yeah, if you like that video, please check back again, and we'll have more videos soon.